morning guys, welcome back. As you just saw, we continue with the seat hump and settle and finalise it. Basically, I just want to get it out the way. We've been there, done that, and we want to move forward. But before we go any further, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Very few of you who actually watch my videos are subscribed to the channel, so please consider it. It's only a click of a button. If you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe later on. But anyway, some of you may know if you follow me on Instagram, I have been working on this sticker wall right here. A load of you have been sending me out all your stickers, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has sent a sticker out. There's one more that's just come through, so let's get it added to the wall. Now, before we get back to the bike stuff, I have one more little announcement to make, one little surprise, a special guest, if you will. Come on, dude, you're about to become famous. I'd like to introduce you to Cletus. I rescued him the other day before the storms hit. Couldn't have left him, he wouldn't have made it. So I've taken it on to care for him and make sure he's all well and healthy before sending him off to a sanctuary. I mean, obviously it's not ideal for him to be in the workshop, so I'm gonna go and put him back. Say goodbye, say goodbye. Right, so since that last clip, we have spent near enough a full day on sanding this and just getting it in the shape to perfection. There's still a bit more sanding to go, as you can probably see right here. I've been using a fiberglass filler just because it has a bit more give than regular body filler, meaning it's less prone to crack. But once we've got that shape finalized and I'm happy with how this is looking, we're gonna get it blasted with a 2-pack primer, and then we can actually see if there's any imperfections or misshapes or anything like that. And then we can keep at it until we have happy with the final shape. It's these sort of jobs that take the most time, make the most mess, probably the least enjoyable as well, but it all needs to be done. I've got the bike covered up as best I can, but it is a filthy mess underneath. But hey ho, let's carry on. The seat hump is looking so much better. I've tried to get the best gap all the way around as possible. I'm real happy with that. I think it looks real smart, real subtle, real nice shape. All it needs now is a lick of paint. Don't do this. Note to self, don't do this when the bike is 95% complete, because I'm gonna have to clean it all again. But I'm not happy with the amount of dust we're gonna have to deal with. So in true Jish fashion, I have changed my mind. I've decided to scrap the idea of taking it off to be painted straight away. Let's get the seat pan made now before we do that, just because I can leave it over the weekend curing, drying, then send it off to be painted. The fiberglass will be ready and I can start working on it all straight away. So let's have a bit of a tidy up. Let's get rid of the dusty sheets off this bike, get the tank on, and get this seat base made. okay, that is where we're gonna leave this episode. You've got to remember, I'm doing this in real time. This is Friday, 5 o'clock. I've still got to edit this video, get it all published, show it to my Patreons 24 hours before I post it on YouTube. Patreon link down below. And of course, we have to let this dry. So next episode, we'll have a whole heap going on. We'll shape the seat pan. We'll even get the foam put on. We'll get the seat up primered, and everything will just start coming together. And not to mention, sweet cheeks, I'm going up this weekend. Might do a bit of filming, get it a bit closer. It's not that far away now. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you're really looking forward to with my videos. All links down below to all my social medias. Go check me out. As I say, subscribe, like if you're new, and I shall see you in the next video.